अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, जैसे कि आपको मालूम ही है कि 5 किंगडम सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन जो R.H. वाटिकर ने 1969 में दिया था, तो उसके 5 किंगडम क्लासिफिकेशन में मोनेरा, प्रोटिस्टा, फंजे, प्लांटी एंड एनिमेलिया, उनके साइलेंट फीचर्स हमने ख़त्म किए हैं। ये किंगडम 5 जो हैं, these kingdoms are again classified। जैसे कि हम प्लांट किंगडम की बात करेंगे, इसके फिर और 5 डिवीजन्स हैं, वो भी मैंने आपको पता है 5 डिवीजन्स। एक थैलोफाइटा जिसको हम अलगी भी बोलते हैं, ब्रायोफाइटा, टेट्रोफाइटा, जिम्नोस्पर्म्स एंड एंजियोस्पर्म्स। अभी हम इनके साइलेंट फीचर्स, प्लांटी के 5 किंग डिवीजन्स जो हैं, इनके हम साइलेंट फीचर्स 1 बाय 1 पढ़ेंगे। पहले हम थैलोफाइटा का पढ़ेंगे। जो थैलोफाइटा है, इट इज़ द प्लांट विदाउट रूट्स, स्टेम एंड लीव्स। थैलस means plant without root, stem and leaves. We are reading this Thallophyta. This is the division of kingdom Plantae. Now the silent features of this kingdom, the plant in this group are commonly called algae. The most primitive and simple plants, plant body is not differentiated into stem, root and leaves, but it is in the form of thallus. This is why they are called thallophyta. इसीलिए इनको thallophyta बोलते हैं, because this plant body is not differentiated into root system, stem or leaves. This group of plants, this division of plants, thallophyta, they do not possess vascular system. That means they do not contain mechanical and conducting tissue. That means xylem and phloem are absent. This division of plants exhibits autotrophic mode of nutrition. That means they prepare their own food. Most algae are aquatic, both freshwater and marine. Some are terrestrial, inhabiting moist places. Now, sixth silent feature, cell wall is made up of cellulose, reserves food in the form of starch. These are the silent features, characteristics of division Thallophyta of kingdom Plantae. Some algae have additional accessory pigment of the other colors such as red, brown, yellow, etc. And accordingly, they have been classified into different groups such as green algae, red algae, brown algae, etc. The mode of reproduction is usually asexual, but sexual reproduction also occurs in some forms. The content of reproductive structures are completely converted into spores or gametes. Sex organs, when present, are simple and single-celled. Fertilization is not followed by embryo formation. Only the spore formation is there in case of this division. Algae are source of about 50% of total organic matter on the earth. Examples of this are number 1, green algae. Green algae के साथ आता है Spirogyra, Cladopora, Volvax, Cora, Chlamydomonas. Then we have brown algae, that is Fucus sargassum. then red algae, that is Gladium, it's vagera vagera. So these are the silent features of the division Bryophyta, Thallophyta. Then we have another division of this kingdom, Plantae, that is Bryophyta. This constitute liverworts, mosses, and are found in moist, shady, and cold places. Now the silent features are bryon means moss or liverwort. The silent features of this division are bryophytes are small multicellular green plants which inhabit shady, damp places. They are found in the shady, damp places, moist places. They are non-vascular plants. That means xylem and phloem are absent. Conducting tissue are absent. Proper root and flowers are absent. Roots और flowers भी इसमें absent हैं Bryophyta में. Then some bryophytes have a flat green thalloid body, for example liverwort, hornwort, while others like mosses have body differentiated into stem, leaves, and rhizoids. Rhizoids means root-like structures. The sex organs are multicellular. An embryo is formed upon fertilization. For fertilization, water is required, so bryophytes are called amphibians of plant kingdom. These bryophytes are also called as amphibians. Amphibians of plant kingdom. These are the some important silent features of this bryophyta. The examples of the plants belonging to this division, for example, Feneria, जो मॉसिस के साथ ताल्लुक़ रखता है, then liverwort, Raceca, Morchellia, then hornwort, they are anthroceres, etc. So these are the two divisions which we have gone through today. One is this silent features of Thallophyta and Bryophyta. Now we have others also, that is Tetraphyta, Gymnosperms, Angiosperms, which we are going to read in the next video. So stay blessed. Thank you.